What's up, guys? I suck at these because I don't normally do these kind of intro things, but I just wanted to say that I'm here with Big Bertha behind me here with the 7.3 Powerstroke diesel, and I am cleaning my injectors using Seafoam. So just in case anybody wanted to do this themselves, it's a piece of cake. I mean, I could do it, so obviously it's a piece of cake. So yeah, just stick around and follow along, and before you know it, your injectors will be nice and clean. So yeah, stick around. Wiggle them around a little bit. Here it comes. All right. So my filter is pretty new, so I'm not gonna change it, but always a good idea to change it if you're doing this anyways. You might as well. Shake all the diesel out of there, or as much out of there as we can get. So it looks like it's about a little less than an inch from the top. So that's about how much Seafoam we're going to put back in when the time comes. There we go. And obviously there's a couple different Seafoam variants. Just make sure you get the standard kind that says on the bottle it'll say for gas and diesel is even written in green. You know, because we're the diesel crowd, we're kind of slow, so colors help. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pour our Seafoam in, and we said about, I think about an inch from the top. And I got the big bottle here, so that should be enough, but if I have any extra, I'll probably just throw it in the tank. Probably just right to the bottom of where the threads are in the bowl, to be honest, is perfect. Okay, just goes in there nice and easy. And just do it slowly so you can let the filter soak up some of the juice on its way down. All right. And then remember, you just want to go hand tight with that. And this part's great. See, now your truck is actually running on pure Seafoam right now. So we're gonna idle it for 2 minutes. If you want to hear how it sounds. All right. Now the next step is going to be to let it hot soak for 5 to 15 minutes. So you're just gonna let it chill, let the Seafoam do its thing. And then after that, the last thing you're gonna do once you're done letting it hot soak is you're gonna run it for 30 minutes. Go ahead and go take a drive. Don't be afraid to get on it, get after it. You know, wide open throttle, have some fun. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So yeah, obviously if your injectors are already shot and you know, they're in bad shape, this isn't going to completely repair them and give you new injectors, but this will give you an excellent cleaning, way better than just, it's a way more direct job as opposed to just putting some in the fuel tank. You could do that as well, but this is a way more direct cleaning method, and it works great. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you do it yourself and how it goes, and hopefully this enlightens somebody's day. So see you later.